I would like to offer my heartfelt congratulations to Innovate Club of Chennai Harmony and President Sudha Sundaraman for organizing this insightful talk on 12 tips to stay cyber safe today. And my thanks to Mr. Kapalishwaran sir. This is the second time we are meeting. I was there present throughout the session today. Unlike last time. Last time I was traveling and I lost connectivity and I joined a little late and I wasn't through with the full session. Today I have been there throughout and I felt it was really very beneficial to all of us. I think we are just touching the tip of the iceberg if I'm not mistaken. So these sessions that you plan to take on in the future will educate us more. And every day they are coming up with new scams, and we have to find ways to protect ourselves and defend ourselves with the help of learned people like you who can guide us to be better. We've been in touch. I've been sharing with him whatever scam stories that I find on everywhere. I just post it to him, hoping that he can in some way address it and help us become more safer, more cyber safe, I would say. The focus on this session to protect the senior citizens who are a vulnerable and most targeted section of the society by these scamsters is really commendable, sir. I offer my special thanks to you for that. And also thank you for zeroing in on the two psychological impulses of us general public that makes us prone and likely to be duped digitally. First, first is you said the fear of the unknown and the law enforcers, and the second is the human greed. I would say thank you for making us aware of these two traits, human traits, which expose us to fraud more than anything else. So we should be on the watch out for these two things which lead us astray, I would say. In addition to what you said, I would like to add one thing, especially for us women, it's vanity. We like to put up, when we are looking good, we like to put it up, and when we are having a good time, we like to put it up. These are the other things which you addressed when you were talking about sextortion and which you will tell us more about. And I'm appalled to see so many people. They don't put their own, the ladies won't put their own pictures, but they put their children's pictures, the kids' toddlers' pictures and all. They put it up as their, what should I say, Facebook DPs and WhatsApp DPs, and it should not be carried on at all. Thanks for addressing that as well. I'm hopeful that your efforts will empower many of us to navigate the digital world safely in the future. This being the second in a proposed fortnightly series of talks on the addressed subject of cyber safety, your commitment to educating the community on cyber safety is truly commendable. I offer my appreciation for that. Thank you for marking this National Computer Safety Day with such a relevant initiative. Thank you.
It was a good session, Kabali. It's an eye opener for a lot of things. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Shankar.
Wonderful session and something that's very urgent now for today. This is urgent. We need to create this awareness, and everyone needs to know what this is. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kapalishwaran, for sharing this once again. And we look forward to taking each of the topic in detail. Every time I see a big cyber crime reported in newspaper, immediately I feel, okay, how can we make this knowledge more extensive? How can we spread it more? We had around 35 members who had joined. Thank you.